Welcome. Now it's time to look at some useful methods that you can use with the random model. So I'm going to type here import random, and I'll type here x equals to random dot randint, and now I need to specify a range. So the numbers that are going to be generated are going to be between this range, between 1 and 10 inclusive. So if I type here print x, if I run this, we get 1. So 1 is included. We have 10. We have 7. So it's generating a number between 1 and 10 inclusive. Now I'm going to type here a variable I is going to be equal to random dot random parenthesis, and this will generate a number with a fractional part. So I'm going to type here print y, and the number is between 0 and 1. So you have 0.99, 0.73, and 0.311. So this is what this is doing. Next, I'm going to create here a list called game, and it's going to be equal to a list. I'm going to put here rock, paper, and scissors. Then I'll go down here. I'll put a variable z is going to be equal to random dot choice. I'm going to pass game. Then I'm going to go down here. I'll type print z. And now it will generate a random element from rock, paper, and scissors. So if I run this, we get paper. If I run this again, we get again paper. If I run this again, we get rock. If I run this again paper, scissors. So our code works fine. Now let's delete this. Let's go down here and let's type here cards equal to, and I'll put here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and I'm gonna put J, Queen, King, and I don't know how this is called, this an A. And if I want to shuffle this list, because now the list is ordered, I can display this list randomly. So I can type here random dot shuffle, and I'm gonna type here cards. Now if I run this, but let me go down, let's type print cards. If I run this, as you can see now they are unordered, because the shuffle, it will shuffle the list, it will make the list unordered. So if I run this again, we have something else. Alright, this is how you can use the random model. This is how the useful methods that can be used with the random model, and I'll see you in the next video.